it's out there somewhere, wondering when we'll be departing from here. Anyone else would go back inside, but we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, 1,000 good miles. The years have come and gone, but we're right where we feel we belong, and anyone else would have turned back by now. But we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down. Yeah, we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, leaving everyone behind as their slow fires die down. Once we left, we found it harder and harder to slow down, 'cause we set out to walk 1,000 good miles from our hometown, 1,000 good miles. Yeah, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Oh, 1,000 good miles. Oh, oh, yeah, 1,000 good miles. Ooh, 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 yeah, 1,000 good miles.
That intersection where the trams are turned around and shit, that's dangerous. Every time we seen the car yards, the car washes open when we were in full lockdown, and people had just cut the clock and ribbon that down. Do the owners get fined too?
Hold on to the hand of self-destruction. I'm back to a place that I left a long time ago. Just give me a sec, I'll smoke this cigarette, making body feels better stored. What do you do when you pick up my guitar and too much on your plate when you need to escape? Everything will be better when I find a way.
The upper bracket is going to do that.
People leave, do they ever think about you?
I said, money get me up. I didn't say anything about you.
What I'd say
Making this allegation.
if I ever came back again. Well, I still wonder and I miss you.
Everything makes you on it.
No, I'll ask you when I see you again, my friend. What do you do when you get the blues? Pick up my guitar. Too much on your plate when you up a guitar again. Too much on your plate when you need to escape. Every little thing will be better when I find a way.
Follow the road for 9 kilometers. Your destination is located on a street with no access.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt and feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reapers Ford to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City,